Hello, hello, hello. Greetings, everyone. My name is Tux. I'm a minister of God. I'm also a trader. I am welcome you back to this APFX YouTube channel for trading. This is a channel for traders. Okay, and I have a wonderful topic today that I want to discuss, and this topic is mainly for all the beginners and those who don't have ideas of trading and they would love to have a bit of information and can start their journey in trading. And like I have said before, and this platform is also to educate people, to give an awareness of what is out there regarding trading, because there's so many junks out there and there's so many scammers out there. They are looking just to get people's money, and by you listening to me or following this channel, subscribe, you will have ideas of who are these scammers. And also this platform will help you how to trade. I will give signals. I will analyze trade, examine trades weekly and daily, so you will be able to have an idea of how you can place your own trade moving forward. Now, stick around because I'm going to be dropping some tips that you might like. But today's topic is, what is Forex trading? What is Forex trading? It's been a while I've been trading right now, and to be honest with you, while I was trading, at times I lost some money. Sometimes I make money, but recently I've started making money consistently, and which means I have perfected my strategy in trading, and that is why I can come online to educate people how to trade. It took me time. I didn't just come online. I wanted to make sure that I perfected my strategy, my rules in trading moving forward. But today's topic, I will be sharing more videos about how to trade, how to place your trade, and what are the strategies you should use to trade, either fundamental or use a fundamental strategy or use a technical methodology to trade. So, but for today is basically for the beginner. It's a beginner's guide, if I may say. Now, forex trading has changed millions of people's lives worldwide. A lot of people trading has transformed their life for the better. And even people who are doing 9 to 5 jobs, they've started trading and making this a side also. And some of them have dropped their 9 to 5 job, focusing on this trading because they make money on it, in it, if I may say. And it is a virgin land. There's so many opportunity to this. Huge opportunity. So, what is Forex? Is it legit? Can you make money from it? Now, let me start by the last question. Yes, you can make money from it. Yes, you can lose money. But if you know how to manage money and you can have a risk management strategy, you will not lose money, but a profit. Now, when you are trading, there are times you lose money. But if you manage your money properly, you will notice that you will have 75 to 80% win rate. Again, I say 75 to 80% win rate every single time when you trade. And the something about trading is you must not be greedy. The moment you have a plan to achieve a particular amount of money, then the trading will go in the wrong direction. And that is how a lot of people are losing money. Those people who call themselves guru in Forex, I'm not saying there are not great people out there or expertise that know how to trade, but majority of people on YouTube, majority of them are liars. They are not actually profitable. Some of them, what they are doing is just to show you some back testing and tell you something that you want to hear so that you can follow them, and at the same time subscribe to their courses, even buy their courses. Now, I'm not saying the course are not really helping people. At least it gives you a bit of idea. Later in future, when you people, I have multiple people following me on YouTube. Then maybe after 10, I don't think I can bring any course right now on that for now. But I can educate people on YouTube video for free. So later I can bring out a course. Maybe if I have up to 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, then I can put a course together for whoever really want to take my course moving forward. So stick around. Let's start breaking it down. So what is Forex trading? It simply means foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market, which means buying and selling currency for profit. I give you an example. You buy a currency, you sell it for a profit. You buy Great Britain pounds or dollar. You use pounds to buy dollar, or use dollar to buy pounds. And simply as that. So now, you buying, let me give you a practical example. Let's say I want to start selling something on Amazon. Then I will have to buy something from the wholesales. Like everybody, most of people, they do drop shipping, and they'll buy things from China, the cheaper rate, maybe $50, and go to Amazon, sell it for £70. Now they've gained maybe £30 extra. So this is the same thing with currency. So the difference between the example I gave and the currency is because that item you put on Amazon is an item. What you bought is an item that you are selling on Amazon. But with the foreign exchange, you are buying currency and selling it at a higher price. It's as simple as that. Let's say you buy dollar at a cheaper rate and you sell it for the higher rate. You are using Great Britain pounds to buy dollar at a cheaper rate and selling it at a higher rate. And it's as simple as that. Or you are buying US dollar at a higher rate, and you think that there will be a dip or there will be a fall in the currency, or it's going to fall one way or the other to maybe, let's say, the current market right now, Great Britain to US dollar is $1.24. So let's say we bought the dollar at 1.26 and we're expecting it to drop to 1.24. So when it drops to 124, you sell. Then we make our profit. It's as simple as that. Now, Forex trading is the largest financial market with 7.5 trillion daily volume. It is the biggest financial market so far, as I know. So, how Forex trading works. Now, traders exchange one currency for another. Like I've just explained earlier, you exchange one currency for another. For example, USD, buy USD and selling EUR when expecting USD to trending, which means going up direction. Or for example, you have to understand a market structure. There are uptrend and downtrend. Now, if the market is going uptrend, then you need to buy that currency that is going uptrend at a cheaper rate so that you can sell it when it gets to the higher rate, so to make your money. So profit comes from price changes in currency pairs. Like I said, you gain when the price changes. That is where you get your money from. And people do lose from the changes as well. So when you master some things, you'll be able to understand exactly what I am talking about here. So what are the pairs? There are different type of pairs. Great Britain pounds, USD, yen, EU, euro, and these are currencies. So many currency that you have there, and these are pairs that you can use to trade. You buy dollars for USD, USD for Japanese yen, and so on and so forth. And where is Forex traded? Unlike stock market, Forex has no central exchange. Stock, you can go to the market. I said market. You can go to the banks, and they can propose different type of stock to you. Or at the exchange center, they can propose different bonds to you. But when it comes to Forex, it has no central exchange. However, trades happens through banks. It passes through banks, brokers, and institutions. Now, like individual traders, I cannot go and trade directly. I have to pass through a broker or an institutional banks. So a broker, they are like middleware, if I may say, in technology, or middleman, whereby you can access X currency directly, but through the broker, you can trade the currency. You can trade the pairs. So the broker is the middleman. You cannot go and trade the currency by yourself. So you have to pass through a broker, a regulated broker. I'll be explaining that, and maybe I will recommend some brokers to you that you can use. The great brokers there, and their leverage are good as well. So, and while we pass through that, you have access to trading. You'll be able to trade correctly. In the past, it wasn't easy to trade, to trade Forex, because if you don't have some huge amount of money, you can be a trader. But now it's much easier. There are several brokers there, regulated and unregulated brokers are there too, that you can use, and at the small, at a basic cost of 400 or 200, 250, you can start trading. Whereas before, if you don't have like maybe 50,000 pounds, you can't trade. But now it's much easier for everyone and it's more open to everyone. So it's a vast open door for all people who wants to trade. Trading is open for 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across different type of zones. For example, Tokyo zone, US zone, time, market time, and UK as well, zone time. I think UK and Europe the same zone time. So and that is that. So who trades Forex? Retailer or retail traders, for example, yourself and I. Number two, institutions and banks. These are hedge funds. They have big investments, and these are the ones that move the market most time. And as a individual trader, we actually follow the big banks to trade, or else we can't trade in an opposite direction of the banks or the institutions. The government, the central banks, they do trade as well. These are the three sectors that trades. The individuals, the group trades, the banks, investment, hedge funds trades, and the government and central banks, they do trade as well. So why is Forex trading popular? Well, high liquidity, entering and exit trading trades easy. Entering and exit trades easily. I can't even pronounce. Enter and exit trades easily, meaning that it's much easier for us to place our trade at any time. So, and you can also leverage, control the large positions with small capital. This is something that we have to discuss in a separate video. When it comes to leverage like 30 to 50 to 100, 500, and leverage on its own is a different topic. So it tells you leverage means that you can use $1 to get $30. So 1 pip of $1 will give you $30. So, and if you lose $1, 1 pip, how do I explain this? It's a different topic entirely, so I don't want to complicate or mess up this video personally. So, and that is that. 24, well, the market trading anytime. Like I said before, you can trade at any time, at night, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, Monday to Friday, you can trade. And the opportunities are two ways. It's either the market is trending upside or the market is, trending to the downside direction. Money is everywhere. So now, how do you start trading Forex moving forward? Well, first, you have to learn the basics of Forex. Once you have acquired enough knowledge, then you can start by choosing a reliable broker. So moving forward, I will introduce you to some of the brokers I'm using. I'm using 2 brokers at the moment. So, and based on this number 2, in terms of how to get your funding, to get your funding, to get money to invest on brokers, I think I may suggest a prop firm that you can trade with and acquire a chunk of money and invest it on the broker, then start trading from your private broker account. Now, to start with each broker, they do have a demo account. So you can open a demo account. A demo means demonstration account. A demo account that you can use to trade and just to practice, to analyze, to master your strategy, your plans, your journey on trading, and see how you can build up your confidence based on trading moving forward. You don't just go and put money in the broker account and start trading. You lose a lot of money. You need to learn how to trade, have a basic knowledge, basic understanding of how to trade. Then once you have mastered that, then you develop a trading plan. It's very, very important. You build a trading plan, how you want to be trading, maybe daily or weekly or monthly. It depends. A lot of people have different strategy, and there are two ways of trading: scalping or swing. So you different strategy. That's a different topic on its own. So which I'll be discussing one of these days. Again, please don't start big. Start small and manage your risk. Don't go and put £5,000 or $5,000 into a broker account and start trading. Or else, if you're a millionaire, if you're rich, you can get those capital easily. You can put those money there. And don't go and borrow money. I always advise people, don't borrow money to go and trade. No, don't take from your savings account to go and trade. No. Take a small amount of money and use it to trade. Okay? Then while you are trading, you will build your confidence from there. Then you'll be able to develop yourself from there, a trading plan, and you'll be able to manage your risk. Very, very important. A lot of people, they blow a lot. That is what is causing a lot of depression for a lot of traders, because they've wasted so many money in trading. They have maxed out their credit card on trading. 20,000, 30,000, 100,000 pounds on trading, because they just thought, oh, this is an opportunity to make a lot of money. Yeah, but you need to learn the strategy. You need to learn the strategy. Well, trading is more or less like, let me be honest with you, is a gambling, like a professional gambler. Now, is it worth trying? Yes, because everything in life is more or less gambling. Open and close. It's either I win or I lose. It's either you go to an interview, you finish the interview, your expectation is either you got the job, you are being offered the job, or a rejection for that interview. Life is just open and close. You are favored, you are fortunate, you are disfavored, you are favored, you are honored, or dishonor, in and out. So, but prediction is what a lot of people do. You don't predict. Analyze and look at the market, look at the chart before you place your trade, and follow your trading plan. And that's how you will be profitable. Again, follow your trading plan, and that is how you will be profitable. You will make a lot of money here if you follow the plan. I mentioned earlier about the risk management in Forex. Like I said, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Never, 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 never. Don't go and put your school fees or your children's school fees or your mortgage, uh, your mortgage money into trading, or else that will cause issue in your family or your marriage. Avoid that. The money that you can put some amount of money. If you put £500, it's fine. If you put 1,000, still okay. But anything above 1,000, I won't really encourage anybody to do that until you have mastered what you are doing. Then you can leverage, increase the size. There is something we call lot size. That's another thing. It's coming to my mind as I'm speaking right now. Then when you are trading, make sure please use the stop loss. Try and use stop loss. Use stop loss when you are trading. Avoid emotional trading. Put the money you know that if you lose it, you will be at peace. In fact, when you are trading, have the mind that you are going to lose that money. So the money that you know you can easily lose and is not going to affect you, those are the kind of money you use to trade. You don't put the money that you know that if anything happen, that's it for you. Don't do that. Don't. Don't. Now, I believe you understand what is Forex trading in a little way. And if you found my, video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you can comment as well. So, and if there is any topic you want me to, talk about, please feel free to talk about it. Feel free to, put a comment. I think for me, it's very, very good when people put a comment. At least I will have understanding of what they were thinking and what is in their mind, and if they are going through any issues, and they can send a comment, and possibly I can be of help to discuss that issue and see how we can support each other. It's a community here. So, and that's what I'm trying to build. Let me see my trading today. Maybe and see if I am okay. I think I'm in profit. I'm gonna share my screen with you all. I placed a trade this morning. Just give me a second. I'm trying to see how I can share my screen at the same time on this account. Let me share my screen. Tap. Can you all see my screen? I'm sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen? Yeah, can you see the amount I've made today? So that is 7,800 and it's going to 8,000. So I set my stop loss, and let me see if I can show you briefly. Where is it? So I have okay, let me show you what I've done. I'm sharing. Would you not show it to me? You should be able to show that to me. Is it because I'm live? Okay, yeah, you can see here. Now you can see I'm looking to get this amount of money to take profit, and once it touched this line, it's almost there actually as you are looking. So, and I've set a stop loss that 0.31% of the account, then I'm good. If I lose that money, there's no problem. But I'm looking to get this amount of money, 10,000. Already I'm in profit of 8,000. I took the trade this morning, and here we go, almost there. So, and that is the tip I said I'm gonna share with you today. So anyway, so if you like this video, subscribe, like, and also share the notification button. Click the notification button so to see the amazing videos I will be putting online. So, and basically I'll be sharing my strategies and the plans that I use to trade as well. So, and I want to say thank you for your time. I'm not like a good talker like that, but I'm managing. So, and I think practice make perfect. Time goes on, how we master all this thing moving forward. So, and I want to say, pray a prayer. On your journey, you'll be blessed. Have a good day. Bye for now.